Viruses are terrifying, especially in the light of the COVID-19 pandemic. Viruses, of course, not only affect humans, they can also affect internet-connected devices, particularly computers, phones, and tablets. However, unlike a human virus, a computer virus is an unwanted program that enters a user's system without their knowledge. It has an ability to self-replicate and spread. It executes unwanted and harmful operations that have a negative impact on the system's performance. Some operating systems already have antivirus protection built in, but they aren't good enough to protect your system from malware attacks 100% of the time. That's why you really need to invest in a third-party antivirus software. In today's video, we will talk about the 5 primary benefits of having antivirus software installed on your system. So don't miss any portion of this video, and if you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on any of our future videos. Getting back to the video though, in a world full of dark infections, antivirus software is like a ray of light. There are numerous benefits that they provide. Among the most notable benefits are as follows. Protection against virus transmission. Antivirus software primarily serves as a preventative measure. It detects possible viruses and then attempts to eliminate them. Keep in mind though, all of this is done before the viruses cause any harm to the system. As a result, most infections are stopped before they can cause harm to your computers. Without your knowledge, an antivirus software may fight multiple viruses in a single day. If you have a virus on your system, you may spread it to your friends and family. So if you want to secure your computer system as well as the devices of your friends and family, consider installing an antivirus software. The second benefit of having antivirus is spam and ad blocking. If you get to know how viruses infect computers, you'll be surprised to learn how often viruses employ pop-up adverts and websites to infiltrate victims' machines. It's common for viruses to infect computers through pop-up advertisements and spam websites. In order to protect your computer from virus-infected advertisements and websites, software like Webroot antivirus blocks their direct access to your network. The third benefit is protection against data thieves and hackers. To gain access to their victims' computers, hackers typically use malware or virus software. They install this malware on the victim's PC without the victim's knowledge. Hackers accomplish this by sending infected emails to their victims. After the victim opens those files in the emails, then the hacker can easily gain access to their desired files and programs. After that, they can do whatever they want with the victim's data. They can erase it, damage it, they can even demand a ransom later. In this case, antivirus software either installs an anti-hacking lock or performs frequent scans to detect the presence of any hackers or hacking-based programs on the computer network. As a result, antivirus software provides complete security against attackers. Number 4, we have antivirus software enhances web security by restricting access to websites. When you access websites that are not authorized to be accessed by your computer system, you put it at risk of being compromised by a variety of cyber dangers, such as spyware, hackers, ransomware, and so on. These dangers pose a potential risk to the information and files you have on your PC. This is done to ensure that you are only allowed to visit websites that are completely risk-free for the software installed on your computer. The fifth benefit of having antivirus is antivirus secures your passwords. Many of us use a password to safeguard our important data and accounts, and after doing so, we fool ourselves by believing that our data accounts are secure. Have you thought about what happens though, if someone uses a virus to obtain your passwords? At some point, the person who stole your password may try to blackmail you for a ransom to use your password to access important information. So, when using antivirus, you should use a password manager to get a higher level of protection. The password manager will manage your saved passwords while the antivirus will prevent any attack from hackers and safeguard your password from such activities. One of my favorite password managers is LastPass. To sum up the whole discussion, a virus attack can cause as much harm as having to buy a new computer because your old one is sometimes beyond repair. Without a defense mechanism in place for your computer system, you are inviting viruses in by giving them a clear and easy entrance. So if you don't want to inadvertently harm your computer, get an antivirus software as soon as possible so you can use it without the fear of being infected by a virus. That's all for today's video, guys. Have you been attacked by a virus and has all of your data been encrypted in the blink of an eye? Or has your PC gotten damaged? Tell us your views in the comment section below, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.